Okay, in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can sign up as a student into your Edmodo account and then be able to join all of your classes. Secondly, I would also show you how you can quickly and efficiently respond to class assignments via the assignment portal. All right, because I noticed some of you are posting assignments as normal post into your classes, wherein every other member of the class sees your assignment. Your assignment is meant to be seen only by your teacher. So in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how you can do all of that. Now, the first thing you need to do is don't bother about downloading the application, the mobile application. You have to first of all get acquainted with the web platform of Edmodo, and which you can access via a web browser on your phone or on your personal PC. Okay, so you can use any of the available browsers, web browsers, Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera Mini, Internet Explorer, anyone available for you. Make use of them. All right, now whilst you are on the web browser, quickly type in edmodo.com on the URL text box. Type in edmodo.com and then you'll be landed on this page. You find yourself on this page, so you'll quickly click on the sign up button here at the top right corner of your web browser. So you click on this and then you get to this page where you have to either sign up as a teacher, student, or a parent. So in this case, a student. So you quickly click on student account. All right, on clicking on student account, then you would have to pick any of the codes for your class, any code at all, be it math, English, what have you, to start off with. Then when you have gotten into your account, when your account is successfully created, you can now go ahead and add in other classes. So this is the first step. So here when you put your name, your first name, your last name, the class code, any of the class codes of your choice, and then choose a username. I usually advise students to use the first name and their last name put together as a username. Then this option here for email is actually optional. Yeah, it's optional. And then choose a password for yourself and click create account. All right, now once you click create account, it lands you into the very class you used its code to join, and then you can then go ahead to add other classes. Now I have already created an account, a student account, so I will quickly click on login. All right, I'll click on the login button and it gets me into this page. I'll click on login so I can log in using my username and password. So I'll type in my username and my chosen password. Okay, it's giving me an option to save my password or don't save. This is my system, so I have to save. And then I advise you to also get to save your password if you are using your personal PC or your mobile phone, because that helps you not to think about the password in future. All you need to do is just type in your username and then you're in on your account. Okay, here I am on my account as a student. And of course, I had used the ICT code to log in or to sign up earlier on. So the only class I belong to right now is the ICT class. And of course, if I want to add other classes, all I need to do is simply click on these classes button over here, and then it gets me to the page, to this very page. I click on this blue button and then I click on join class, and then I go ahead to add other class codes. So this is how I'll be this is a step I would have to take to add other class codes. All right, that's seen. The next thing is to go back to my home page. I click on this very button here. Okay, that's the home page button. I click on it to see that on the right sidebar of my web browser, I can see upcoming. Here is the ICT assignment given. All right, now, and of course, right here I'll be able to see all of the postings, comments, and every other ideas and discussions that have been ongoing in the class. Here I would see all of them. Okay, now for all of my assignments and quizzes that may come, here they'll be lined up. So I already have an assignment here, ICT assignment, so I'll click on it. Clicking on this assignment, of course, these dialog box allows me to open the assignment, okay, and of course see the instructions for the assignment. For this assignment, the instruction here says describe the steps for adding headers and footers to a document. Okay, now I click on open assignment, and then it gets me to this point where I will either have to create a new an MS Word. I click on this button, I can create a text response to the assignment, or a Word document, or a PowerPoint presentation, or an Excel worksheet in response to the assignment. So this creates an instance of Edmodo Word document or PowerPoint presentation or Excel worksheet on the application window itself. Alright, then if on the other hand I wish to work on an external document, an external Word document, or PowerPoint presentation or Excel sheet or whatever in response to this assignment, of course what I have to do is to click on this attach button. This attach button allows me to pick from my computer whatever material I have prepared in response to this assignment, okay, or I can pick from my backpack or link from a web. However, the most important button or item you need to pick up from here is file from computer, and this allows you to either take an image, a screenshot image, or a video, audio note, whatever that you have in your computer which you will wish to attach to the assignment given to you by the teacher. Here you can do that. All right, so on clicking here, it takes you brings up a dialog box that allows you to search in for your file in any of the folders where you may have stored that particular file in. Okay, on locating that file, you simply click open, and then the file will be attached. Now let me actually open a Word document here. Okay, it's preparing your document. Please wait a moment. Now, okay, all right, the Word document, the Word document instance of Edmodo is open right now. Okay, it's still opening. Okay, still opening. All right, good. Now I can go ahead to start typing anything at all I want to type. In fact, it has all of the features the offline Microsoft Word document actually has. So it has everything. Whatever you want to do, all the formatting you want to do to your text can be done herein. And then when you are done, you quickly click on this turn in button on the top right corner of the MS Word application. All right, you click here, turn in, and then the assignment to be turned in is, as you can see, is being saved. Okay, just wait a moment. Okay, now of course I click on turn in. All right, you can see the assignment has been attached. The assignment has been attached to the assignment given by the teacher. All right, so this is the only way you can do this, and then you can go ahead to resubmit, or submit your assignment for the first time. And this is just basically how you need to go about it. It's easy, and it's something that anyone can do. So I advise you get along this line in submitting your assignment, in creating your account, and in signing up with Edmodo as a student, even as a teacher or as a parent. Okay, the processes are quite simple. All you need to do is to take your time and read all of the labels you see on some of the command buttons on the interface. You'll be able to understand and follow through what you are supposed to do. Okay, thank you. I hope you learned something, and I hope this helped.